Hello, Pastor Ndoka.
Hey, Papa, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Please, sorry for bothering you this evening.
Okay.
I want to ask you a few questions.
No problem, go ahead.
Okay, thank you, sir. Please, who is God?
God? Jesus is God.
Jesus is God?
Yes.
Okay, is Jesus the son of Mary?
Yes.
Who created Mary?
God created Mary.
So who is God?
Jesus is God, Papa.
Is Jesus the only begotten son of God?
Yes, of course.
So who is his father?
God.
Who is God?
Jesus is God.
Wait, is Jesus a servant of God?
Yes.
Did Jesus die on the cross?
Yes, Papa.
So who resurrected him?
God did. God did.
Is Jesus a messenger of God?
Yes.
So who sent him?
Papa, you and I know God sent him.
Then who is God then?
Jesus is God. Jesus is God, Papa.
Pastor Ndoka, please. Did Jesus worship a deity while on earth?
Yes.
So who did he worship?
He worshiped God.
Then who is God?
Jesus is God. How many times will I tell you Jesus is God, Papa? Jesus is God. There's nothing you can do.
Does God have a beginning?
No.
Then who was born on the Christmas day?
Jesus.
Is Jesus God?
Yes.
So where is God?
God is in heaven.
But wait, Pastor Ndoka, how many gods are there in heaven?
There's only one God in heaven.
Only one God?
Yes.
So where is Jesus?
Jesus is in the right hand of God. He's in the right hand of God.
He's seated on the right hand of God.
Yes.
Then how many gods are in heaven?
Only one God who is three in one. See, Papa, this can only be understood by those with the spirit. A carnal people cannot understand this.
Canal?
Yes. A carnal. And a carnal.